Yo, check out these views, bro. North Carolina is so beautiful. If I could find a permanent job that pays me what I make as a traveler, I would definitely take it and move down here, because it's freaking beautiful. Doesn't really snow that much down here. If you guys have any jobs for me, let me know, because it's freaking beautiful. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this is really nice. It looks like the other road that I was on. North Carolina, I love you. I think this is where I'm supposed to live. I've never moved out of New Jersey, but I definitely don't want to live there the rest of my life. I think North Carolina might be the place for me. Honestly, I love it here. We got a little creek. Thanks to my neighbor for recommending this road. It's actually really nice. Follows along this river. Where are we? Bat Cave Baptist Church. What? That's where Batman go to church? Chimney Rock. Oh, this is where he told me. Lake Lure. It's so going this way. Look at this car. That's cool. We must be in the town is called Bat Cave. Huh. That's where Batman is. I'm getting distracted by the freaking scenery. Wow, yeah, this is nice. I gotta stay focused on this road. Wow, look at this. What the? Where am I? Wow, this is amazing. Huh. I need to pull over. I need to start making more content for like Instagram, take more pictures. What the heck? Look at this. Wow, what the? Amazing. Wow, this guy's going off the lane. Let's go, baby. Oh, I love the ZX6R. Look at what? Oh my gosh! Whoa, there's a waterfall up there. What the? Wow, amazing. Oh, you guys need to travel and explore. Man, the world is a freaking beautiful place. Even just the US is so beautiful. nice out here. Oh man. Wow. This must be the downtown. Holy, look at all the whoa, look at all the bikers here. Wow. Nice rides. Wow. Freaking nice. Look at that. Man, all the riders are here. Where's all my sport bike riders? It's all like cruisers over here. Oh man, I'm sweating right now. But I gotta wear the jacket even though it's really hot. Sweat is better than blood. Yeah, my neighbor told me it was probably gonna be packed here. He's definitely right. Wow. I gotta come back here and just like walk around. So where's the lake? Wow, look at that. You got a freaking bridge with the garden. It's cool. Damn, it's beautiful out here. Wow. Oh, is this the lake? Ooh. Wow, wee wah woo wah. We got a beach. Where the hell am I? It's freaking nice. Wow. All my Jersey guys, get out of Jersey right now. This is where you need to be. It's freaking beautiful. Wow. Oh, sorry if I'm like repetitive, but I'm really just like trying to take everything in. It feels surreal, like I'm in a dream right now. I think I might just turn around as I can't deal with this traffic anymore. I'm freaking dying. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video and just chill out right now, listen to some music, enjoy the ride. Peace out, ride safe, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.